Yeah, we introduced a new lithium UPS battery, and they are actually multi-function of them. So they are 500 volt, and the peak is 1000. So the battery is 12 volts, 26 amp hour. So they have 4 USB and 4 12 volt output in here. Okay, here this one is the lamp switch. If you do this one, you will have a lamp. And then this one is the output for the DC output. So they have a 5 volt, 2 amp hour, and also 4 lamp, 12 volt lamp output. So this one is the LCD display for the battery status. At the moment it's fully charged and it's 100%. Now we can have a look at the back. Okay, here you can do is turn this one, the back on, and then these 2 AC output, and then one of them is either solar charger or a car charger you can use. And we can do the testing. It's working like a UPS. You can charge the battery in the same time you can charge whatever the things put on it, and then it's just working exactly like a car UPS, but have more function. Now we can do this power on. Now we have a one switch, so we just put on. So this one is, so start up. So this one, the switch is on. So you can use exactly like this one. So they are very powerful UPS, and also you can, for your outdoor use, and you can use solar panel to charge it, or you can use car charger for it, and you can use ordinary 240 volt Australia standard to charge it, and then you can use this one to charge your phone system or provide some lamp for it. And also you can put in on anything like 500 volt. So this one is pretty much a very powerful one, and if in the future you need to change battery, you just change the battery probably after 2 or 3 years, or maybe 3 or 4 years, 5 years, and you need to change battery, you can just open it inside, you can replace the battery. Okay, that's the introduction of our new lithium UPS. It's an online version. Okay, so yeah, that's it.